the terminal box of an asynchronous motor, where terminals of the end of each coil is brought in. Here is exactly what it looks like. That motor has 3 windings, U, V, W. Each winding has one end, or has 2 ends, the beginning and the end. And there are 3 windings, so there are 6 ends here. That's why we have 6 terminals inside the terminal box, which we have here. So when we do insulation resistance test, what we do is that we test U1 with V1, U1 with W1, V1 with W1, and W1 to chassis. And then we test this one as well, V1 to chassis and W1 to chassis. So before we do it, don't forget to remove the plate, which is the configuration plate. This is in star. The configuration plate is simply connecting these 3 terminals, W1, W1, W2, U2, and V2, linking them with a metal plate. This is what we have here. Well, this is excitation connection, but we're not going to deal with this right now. Hope you know